Hey loves, welcome back. So I wanted to come back with a quick video. This is going to be super quick and easy. This is just, I wanted to show you guys how I do my half up hair, and it was kind of like what Khloe Kardashian wore when she was on Ellen. Y'all, she looks so beautiful to me. I know some people don't like the Kardashians. I'm not even here for that, but she just looked beautiful. I wish I looked that beautiful when I was pregnant. But anyway, I just wanted to show y'all how I achieve my half up, half down, kind of like what Khloe Kardashian had. So first, you know, I do have on a wig, and I have a video on how I put on my wig and my baby hairs and all that stuff. So I'm just making my baby hairs. And also with my hair, I do have some curls that's probably like 2 or 3 days old. These are wand curls. I just used a NuMe curling wand. I will have it listed down below. I have a video on that as well. I will link that down below because I didn't want to show it because it's going to be too repetitive and the hair was already curled. So anyway, I'm just doing my baby hairs. Even though Khloe Kardashian's hair, she didn't have any baby hairs going on, and her curls was a lot more loose, so they look more beach wavy-esque. But you know, I like different type of curls. I'm not for that beach wave. So yeah, if you want to do that, you can definitely use like that beach wave. But they have a beach wave curling iron, which is really cool. Or you could just do the wand curls, but pull them out straight like after you curl them up, so that way they won't be so tight. But mine are brushed out again, like I said, and I've had them in for like 2 days or so. So now I'm just parting where I want mine to go. Khloe's, I think hers was parted all the way, so she didn't really have any left out on the sides. But I like mine with some left out on the side because I am wearing a wig, and sometimes, you know, girl, those ear flaps do not be laying like you want them to. So now I am just putting it up, trying to see how I like it and to see, you know, if I like how much hair I put in it. I grabbed some hair from the back and a little bit more on the sides, so you won't see the tracks or anything like that, the tracks that I have in the back of my hair, because it's not a full lace. The hair is going to cover it, so you will look fine. Nobody's going to see it. So now I'm just going to brush it with a paddle brush, and I'm going to put it in a ponytail with an elastic band. So now that I have the elastic band, I'm just gonna keep pulling it and pulling it. Like, you could pull it further back so your ponytail can sit farther back, or you can pull it closer towards, more towards your face, which is how I like mine. I like mine to sit like right on the top of my head, like right there in the top. And I'm just pulling it, and as you can see how gorgeous these wand curls are after a couple of days with this hairstyle. It is so freaking beautiful. I'm obsessed. I'm definitely going to be doing this more often. I didn't realize how much I like the wand curls like a couple of days later, because the first day sometimes they be a little bit too tight for me. But after they like drop and they lay, it is just so gorgeous, y'all. Oh my god. And this hair is like so popping. Every time I always wear this hair. This is the only hair I wear. It is listed below for you guys if you want to check it out. I love this hair. It is by myfashionhair.com. I actually found them here on YouTube. I watched Malibu, and he did a review on this hair before, and I'm absolutely fell in love with it. This is my second wig so far that I have made using My Fashion Hair. It is the bomb. So now just to curl some of the other parts, this is the NuMe wand, and I'm just going to use it to curl some of the pieces in the front that I just kind of wanted to shape around my face a little bit. So just keep holding it there, and then you want to pull them. You don't want it to be too tight, so just pull it down like that. And yeah, you guys, this is the look. I absolutely love this. It is so cool. You can be so versatile with your wig, girl. You just don't have to wear it down. You can do so many things with it, and I just love this look, and I'm obsessed with it. So I really hope you all enjoyed it. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up, girl, because I see you watching. So you watch it every single time I upload, but you don't be subscribing. So just hit that subscribe button because I know you like me. And yeah, I will catch you all in my next video very soon. Bye.